Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12T, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now, to clarify this, this process removes things like screen locks. So if you have a screen lock on your phone that you just don't know, you can get rid of it this way. Now, the downside is it also gets rid of everything else on your phone, which without the screen lock, you can't really back it up. And number two, if you have a Google account on your phone, like I do, at least I hope I do. Let's see, accounts. Yep, now here it is. So I have a Google account. Then this device will become FRP locked. Now, a good thing, at least here, is that I will also make a video on how you can bypass this verification later on after the factory reset has been finished. But this will be in a separate video. So if you're interested in checking that out, stay tuned. This will be basically a next video, at least that I'm going to be recording. Hopefully you can find it relatively easily. So anyway, let me lock the device and we can progress from the lock screen. It's locked right here, as you can see. So let's hold power key.
For that, you'll have to turn off airplane mode.
Select power off. As you can see, I didn't confirm the lock screen right there, so I'm just going straight from the lock screen. And from here, we're gonna hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now, once you see the Mi logo on the screen, you can let go of the keys and wait for the recovery mode to show up. There we go. So using volume keys, you want to select second option, wipe data, and then confirm it with power key. Select wipe all data and confirm. As you can see, it's already finished, so we can then select back, reboot, and reboot to system. Now, this will continue the process in the background, so it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, but once the entire factory reset is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you could set up your device however you want. Now, like I mentioned before, the phone for me will become locked, which you can see based on this tiny little lock in the status bar. So next thing I'll be doing is the bypass of this. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.